Hey everyone, I'm back at Lenox Mall. My Fendi SA got in some of the Fendi Skims bodysuits. I already bought them, but I want to try them on real quick. And I might do another haul because I ordered a few things online and they arrived and everything is so cute. So I just wanted to show you all the new stuff that I got. Okay guys, I am back and I have so much stuff. So check out my first try on haul shopping vlog if you haven't already. That's when I bought the white cream knit sets and one of the pouches that I turned into a wristlet right here. Oh, and then I got shorts. I just couldn't resist. I ended up getting more stuff. And then I ordered some things online. Most of the stuff was sold out online, but I was able to grab a bunch of things. So I'll show you what I got. So by the way, this is also Skims. This is from Nordstrom and it's so soft and comfortable. I love the color. I'm definitely getting more of these for sure. I also ordered a romper like onesie. I don't know if you guys know this, but most of the time when I film YouTube videos, I'm wearing pajamas. So I just like to be comfortable. But anyway, let's get to what I got in my second trip to Fendi. First up, this actually caught my eye on the way out, but they had some pouches left. I don't know what to tell you. I love pouches. So the first one I got was the mini. I think this is the medium size. I think there are 3 sizes and this is the medium size. So I like this because it fits my phone. I turned it into a little wristlet. I got this in the white color. The colors have state names. I don't know what this one is. It's like California or Colorado or something. So when I went back, there was one that I considered getting the first time I went there. And so when I went back and I saw that it was still there, I took that to mean it was meant to be and that it was waiting for me. So anyway, this is it. Here is the dust bag it comes with, and I got the larger pouch in the, I believe this color is called Georgia. It's like the purple color. I just love this. It's so bright. It's purple. You know what's a fun fact? My favorite color is blue, but growing up, my absolute favorite color was purple. I would always wear purple when I was a kid. Kind of a throwback, but yeah, I just think it's such a fun, bright color. This, I would probably use this more as a makeup travel bag. You know, we are traveling for the holidays, so I plan to use this. There's the interior, same as the smaller version, except that this larger size has 2 pockets, like 2 slip pockets here. Here is the tag. So same as the smaller pouch, this has the Fendi Made in Italy tag. I actually asked them in store, what does this mean? You know, because LV has date codes, but this is, I guess there's their serial code. Okay, now just to show you what it looks like, this is the same wristlet chain that I had on my smaller pouch, but you can wear this as a larger wristlet clutch if you want. Doesn't this color just make you so happy? Okay, now what brought me back into the store the second time is that my SA texted me that they did get some of the bodysuits in the store. Initially thought they weren't going to get those bodysuits in store, but they did, and so she called me. I got the black sleeveless mid-thigh bodysuit. I just think this is so cute. I couldn't get my hands on any of the bodysuits. I believe there's like a second wave coming and they will restock some of the items. I mean, I love rompers in general. I love rompers. I love that this can be styled in the winter, but in the summer, I am all about like one piece, one and go outfits. So I got this, here it is. It's a really stretchy material, almost like swimsuit material. Now again, my sizing is all over the place with Fendi. I got this in the medium because I wanted it to be not skin tight. Like if I were wearing this as shapewear underneath something, I would have gotten a small, but I got this in medium. I probably could have done the small because the medium is a little long in the torso, but I just like that it's not super skin tight on me and that then I could wear this out just on its own. And then also I got medium because then the leg would be a little lower than if I got a small. So that's the Fendi bodysuit. This was $190. Some of you were sad that I didn't get the long sleeved orange knitwear dress. You know, it was a cute dress, but I just didn't really see myself wearing, like I don't have an occasion to wear that. But I did get the same bodysuit in that orange color. Look at this color, it's so vibrant. So I got the bodysuit in the orange. I don't know what these colors are called, but there it is. Curious, that's what the label is. And then it tells you the material. This is made in Slovenia. So yeah, just a fun color for the summer. I think this color looks great on darker complexions. When I get tan, I mean, I'm pretty tan now, I think still, but when I get darker in the summer, I think this color just really pops. And yeah, I'm excited to wear this mostly in the summer. And then the last thing I got from the boutique was the same bodysuit in the purple color. So I got it in 3 colors. My SA was like, we got the bodysuit in all these colors, and I said, I want all of them. I just had to, because I think I knew I would regret if I didn't get it. I like this color, you know? I was like, yeah, I like purple. Let me go back. This is my origin story color when I was growing up during my formative years. I loved purple. I still like it. So, and I don't own anything like it, so I decided to snatch this up. And again, this is the medium size. Definitely in the brighter colors, I didn't want to do a smaller size because I didn't want it to be super tight and form-fitting. And again, I wanted to wear this out just on its own. So I have the bodysuit and the bag. These are all the things that I got online. They all come packaged with the same logo in the box. I'm debating whether to keep some of them. Now, even with the bodysuit, my SA folded it up and put it in the gift box. And I was like, oh, didn't it come with, you know, one of these boxes? And she was like, oh, did you want that? And I said, yes, because I wanted to be able to store it because the way the boxes are designed, so it has, you know, the logo on the front, but then because it's, you know, technically shapewear, it has the little clear window and then the label to show you what it is and the size and color, I think. So for me, because I'm at this, you know, I want to stay organized, I probably would store it in here, and then this way I can keep it, you know, organized on my shelf or in my drawer. I have the bodysuit boxes, and then I picked up a few other things online. So first I want to show you, this is something that was still available, and I was like, I'm surprised this hasn't sold out yet, and it's because of the size. I got the branded tights, and I got it in the nude color. I posted this on my Instagram. It is so cute. I love how understated this is. I probably would want to get it in black also, and maybe white, because I think the white would look really cute with the white cream knit set that I got. Actually, maybe not together because it's a lot of logos, but I got the tights. So this shade, the nude shade, is called California, and I got it in the extra, extra small, which I'm not usually an extra, extra small in anything, but it really was the height that works for me. And it's so stretchy. I mean, it really is the height that matters. Even if you're rail thin but tall, you might need to size up, but this fits me perfectly and it just looks so cool. So that's what it looks like on the skin. I'll try to include some mod shots or pictures, but very cute, very fitted. It is not thicker than, you know, I don't own designer tights, and I wouldn't say that this is thicker than usual tights. I mean, I guess where the logo is, it's a little thicker, but it's a pretty good quality because, you know, I have nails and I have cuticles sometimes, and when it's dry or if a nail broke, this doesn't feel like it would snag easily. So I think it's a pretty decent quality. And then I got this boy short set in the nude and black. This literally feels like a swimsuit. I could have just gotten a swimsuit, I think. You definitely can probably wear this as a swimsuit. So I got this set and the skimpy bralette. Now this is the size small, and this is too small. I should have sized up. I don't really like low cut tops. It very much is not super supportive, but it's so cute. This is really cute. This is something that I would just really wear in the house. I mean, it fits me okay, but it's almost indecent definitely to wear out. So this really is like an undergarment. If I size up, I probably could maybe get away with it as a swimsuit, swimwear, as a bikini. But yeah, that is it. So, and then there's no hook closure or anything. It's just a stretchy bralette. It's adjustable straps right here. So I got it in the small. I'm surprised I even had this. These went really fast. I think there was like a secret restock that no one knew about. So I got that in the nude and the black set. Okay, I almost forgot. I got something else in addition to the bodysuit. When I went to pick up the bodysuit, I started looking at what they had again on the rack, and I don't know why I didn't look at this before, but I got the two-piece swimsuit set. So this is a long sleeve, olive colored, almost like a rash guard shirt, you know, long sleeve for swimming, but the material is very much like a swimwear. And then this is the bottom, and this is reversible. It has the Fendi Skims logo on the inside, but then it's reversible. So if you want to wear it inside out, the logo is on the outside, and then it has the solid olive color inside. I got the medium. The only tag on the bikini bottom is this right here. It's just one stitch, so you can cut this out because this is meant to be reversible. And I got the medium because this was so tight. I could get away with the small, but when I tried it on, I was like so sucked in. And again, you know, if you're wearing it as shapewear underneath, I would get, like I did get a bodysuit in an extra small and then another one in small. But as a swimwear, you know, I was like, I just want to size up a little bit. So I got the medium, so I have more room in the arms. It's a little longer also, so it covers more of my torso. Super cute. This would also be a great layering piece, you know, underneath something like a thermal maybe. But it's a really cute top, I think, and I really like this neutral color. Okay, and then to match with my nude tights, I got this bralette. Now this is a very sheer bralette. I think in the pictures, the models, their, you know, nipples are blurred out because you can't see anything, but you definitely can see completely through this. I mean, there you can see even the color of my nails. So this is definitely an undergarment. This is not something that, I mean, I guess I don't go clubbing. But I could see somebody wearing this to a club. It matches perfectly with the nude tights. This is really comfortable. So now this I got in the size small, and it's really stretchy. So you probably could get, you know, like a true to size or even size down because it's super stretchy. Here's the elastic band on the bottom. So yeah, very supportive. This actually is more supportive than the skimpy bra because this one, the way it's cut, it does not support. It just is kind of like strapped to your chest, if that makes sense. Whereas this one has an elastic band on the bottom. I love this set. I also grabbed the same sheer bralette in the black, and I was really surprised that they even had this in black available. So this is the one that, you know, Kim Kardashian wears in the picture with the black tights. If I can get the black tights, I probably will. It's so cute. So this is just something that if you want to feel fancy wearing this underneath a shirt. Definitely not going to be doing a try on with this because it is very sheer. So again, it's the same exact material as the tights, but in a bralette. Now I got two more shapewear bodysuits, and these are the actual shapewear that you wear, you know, underneath clothes. They had two versions. There was a thong bodysuit and then the mid-thigh bodysuit, same as the branded ones that I just got. But then the top, instead of a just sleeveless, it's kind of a spaghetti strap. So the first one I got was the California, the nude color, which, you know, doesn't really look that attractive, but this fits so well. This one I got in the size small, and it really sucks you in and just like makes everything nice and smooth in the front. Not a lot of support in the front, so you can still wear a bra under this, or you can go braless if you want. Adjustable straps. These straps also have the Fendi Skims logo right there. And then I got the same bodysuit in black and in a smaller size. Now this is the size extra small, and when I opened it, I was like, what? How is this gonna fit me? Like, look how tiny it is. It's like for a doll, but this does fit. This one really sucks you in. The legs are like, just like sucks in those thighs. It's a little too tight in the chest area, but if you really are trying to squeeze into something, yeah, this would be great. You can try to wear this out, but I mean, personally, this part, the butt, is so sheer. You can see like it's literally cut out. But I mean, I personally wouldn't wear this out just on its own. So that's why I like the branded bodysuits, because those were not sheer. For shapewear, this is great. I don't own any Skims shapewear. This is the only Skims item I own, but I'm really impressed by their stitching, the quality, the sizes that they have. It's super inclusive, and I just really like it. So I am definitely looking forward to seeing what else they have. There's some other things that were still out of stock online, but I check a lot and see if it's available. So those are all the things I got from Fendi Skims round 2. Check out my first shopping vlog and try on haul. I'll try to include clips of me trying on all the other new things that I got. There should be more coming out, so follow me on Instagram. If you don't already, it's @aheated_mess. Whenever there is something restocked or available, I will post in my Instagram stories if you're looking out for this. But yeah, let me know, did you get anything from Fendi Skims online or in store? Let me know what you think of the collection. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.